So today we're here at Tenaya Lake. I was just camping with my daughter and some of her friends last night and thought I should do an art lesson while I'm up here. And what should I do? I should do one teaching people how to draw natural things, trees, rocks, etc. That's probably all we'll get to. It'll be a short lesson today. Hello. We're going to teach you how to draw a pine tree first. Very simple. I don't know what else to say. Very simple. I'm going to draw a line. Kind of straight up and down, but I'm going to put a little curve to it also. There you go. That's the beginning of a pine tree. Come down like this. Alright, so you've just got that shape, not so hard. Go through a few little branches out towards the bottom like that. Okay. Now I'm going to start towards the top. You see how I'm just doing these little marks like this coming down. Some erasing like that. That's about as simple a pine tree as you can make. I'm going to draw a little rock down here. They're also pretty simple. There you go. How about putting a little crack in it? Now maybe some other little rocks. Sometimes I put little dots on it just to add a little texture. Now let's put the ground down here kind of caving under, like this. Maybe have a root of the tree sticking out. There we go. Maybe a few roots. Kind of inspired by the scene behind me, maybe. Throw some grass down here. And how about we'll throw the lake out behind it. So quickly a tree, some rocks, ground. Here's the lake. We'll add a little bit of wave marks. Okay. How about a little background? We'll just throw some mountains back here. Maybe a little bit of tree area down right along the lake. We'll just kind of make some little marks like this. Suggest some trees. And then you could throw some mountains out here in the background. There you go. It's pretty fast, pretty simple. Pause it if you need to take some time that I didn't give you. But you can come up with a picture that looks like that pretty quickly. Once you get a picture like that on your paper, it's real simple to take some green watercolor or something, throw it in the branches, throw a little blue in the sky, a little light purple or something for the mountains, maybe some darker green for this tree. Blue here in the lake, some gray for the rocks, brown for the dirt, and you're done. You can even make a little painting out of that. Wouldn't take too long at all. So there's your art lesson, something natural. And natural is usually pretty easy because it's hard to mess up. When you're making tree roots, they can just be pretty much any kind of shape you want. Same with the tree, you know. If you want to make this a little bigger, for instance, you just go, I want more branches up here. Okay, well there you go. Just throw them in there. No problem. Want some more branches here? No problem. You know, just throw them in however you feel like it. Well, hope you enjoyed your lesson. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. Bye-bye.